Good afternoon, dear students. How are you all? I hope you have read the text that I have sent you in previous class. Today, we'll discuss the lesson number 6, the deserts. But before we start the lesson, there are some important terms which I want to discuss. So, let's start. Suppose this is our earth. The imaginary line that divides the earth in two parts is known as equator. This line actually does not exist. It is imaginary. And this line divides the earth in two equal parts. This part is known as northern hemisphere and this part is known as southern hemisphere. The reason being, when we show directions, we show north at the top and south at the bottom. So, this half part is northern hemisphere and this half part is southern hemisphere. The equator divides the earth in two parts. There are two imaginary lines, Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn, respectively in northern and southern hemisphere. These lines are also imaginary and here are the poles. At the pole, as you all know, the temperature is very low. The poles are really very cold. As you move towards the equator, the temperature will increase. So the areas near the equator, they are very hot, and as you move towards the pole, the temperature decreases, and when you move towards the equator from either of the sides, from northern hemisphere or from the southern hemisphere, if you move towards the equator, the temperature will increase. So this is our earth and these are the imaginary lines on earth. They actually do not exist, they are imaginary. The line that is in between and divides the earth in two parts, that is known as equator. This area is northern hemisphere and this is southern hemisphere. This imaginary line is Tropic of Cancer and this one is Tropic of Capricorn. Now, coming back to the chapter. So, the lesson is the desert. So, what kind of picture comes to your mind when we say desert? Yes. What kind of picture? Without any crops or without any plants or trees, huge areas which have sand. Desert occupy about 1/3 of Earth's surface. The total area of Earth's surface, its 1/3 part is occupied by desert. That means the 1/3 area of Earth's surface is desert. They are mainly found around Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn in northern and southern hemisphere. Mostly the desert are around this and this line in northern and southern hemisphere. This region receives less than 250 mm of rain a year. The rainfall pattern is not a seasonal one. Instead, rain usually occurs as sudden violent thunderstorm. Deserts are usually located on the western side of the continent. It means in desert, it receives almost no rainfall or very, very less rainfall. And the rainfall is not seasonal one. That means there is no pattern of rainfall. There is no season of rainfall in the desert. In the desert, the rain can come suddenly with the thunderstorm. तूफान के साथ बारिश होती है और बारिश का कोई रेगुलर पैटर्न नहीं है. Deserts are usually located on the western side of the continent. The deserts are usually mostly on the western side of the continent. Deserts are usually dry. However, not all of them are hot. All deserts are not hot. There are three types of desert. Usually, we think that deserts are hot, but deserts are not hot. All deserts are not hot. There are 3 types of desert: hot desert, temperate desert, and cold desert. The hot desert includes Sahara and Kalahari Desert in Africa, the Atacama Desert in South America, Mexican Desert in Mexico, the Thar Desert in India, and the Great Sandy Desert in Australia. Here are the examples of the hot desert. I hope you remember that in the last lesson also we have discussed about the Sahara Desert. It is a hot desert which is found in Africa. And in India, we have hot desert, and the name of the desert is Thar Desert. So here are some deserts, and also the countries or the continents is mentioned here in which they are located. Now, look at these pictures. This is how the hot deserts look like. This is Sahara Desert. This is Kalahari Desert. They both are in Africa. This is Atacama Desert, which is in South America. This is Mexican Desert, which is in Mexico. This is Thar Desert in India, and this is Great Sandy Desert, which is in Australia. And all these deserts, they are hot. The temperate desert, the second type of desert, it includes, the examples are Gobi Desert of Mongolia and the deserts of Iran and Turkey. They are temperate deserts. Cold desert, they are found near polar region around Arctic and Antarctic circle. The Mongolian desert has an average temperature below freezing point for about half the year. That means mostly around 6 to 7 months, or maybe more than that. The temperature in Mongolian desert is below 0 degrees Celsius. And in Antarctica, the winter temperature is minus 30 degrees Celsius, which is really freezing. Climate. Rain rarely falls in the desert. When it comes in the form of thunderstorm. As we discussed, there is no pattern of the rainfall. The desert receives rainfall suddenly with thunderstorms. The desert sky is clear and cloudless. You can see this is similarity in all these pictures. The sky is clear, though we can see clouds, but they are not bringing rain actually. Mostly the sky is clear. This causes daytime temperature to rise rapidly. That means in desert, the temperature rises quickly as the sun rises. But the temperature drops significantly during the night. But as the sun sets, the temperature also goes down. One fact is also there in the lesson. The daytime air temperature can reach 58 degrees Celsius in the Sahara Desert. Soil temperature may reach 80 degrees Celsius. Can you imagine? It is a very hot. It would be very hot in Sahara Desert, as during the day the temperature is 58 degree and the temperature of the soil is 80 degree Celsius. So let's revise what we did today. Like, what are deserts? Deserts are the areas which have sand, very less trees and plants, or almost there are no plants and no trees. 1/3 of Earth's surface is covered by desert. Deserts are usually found near Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. 3 types of desert: hot desert, cold desert, and temperate desert. Please go through the video very carefully. If you have any problem, you can contact me. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you so much.